welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abby and I am a Denver content creator. I talk about all things fashion and lifestyle. Today we're talking again about one of my favorite jewelry brands, MEJURI, and the reason why they are one of my favorites is because they are so affordable and the quality is just amazing. So they really make fine jewelry accessible to everybody. I will leave a link in the description box below to some of their sustainability practices as well as where they are getting their materials from and the quality of their materials. If you ever have questions, it will be in that one link below and I'll make sure to label it correctly. As I'm sure you know, charm bracelets and charm necklaces have been huge this summer and they're going to continue to be super popular into the fall. And so MEJURI came out with the Make It Yours campaign. They launched a bunch of new charm necklaces as well as individual pendant charms. And so that's kind of what we're gonna dig into today, a few of the new pieces and a few of the new charms that are my favorites that I would absolutely recommend. And I will leave all of the links in order of appearance in the description box below. First necklace that we are gonna talk about today is the one I'm actually wearing right now. It is the base chain convertible necklace. This one is 20 inches. I got it in gold vermeil and it's $598. I actually took a chain out just because I generally wear a 16 or 18 inch just because where it sits on me. There is actually a version that is very similar to this one, almost identical in 14 karat solid gold. It starts at 2,500. It has different chain lengths. So I really like that about the solid gold version is that you can kind of customize what length you want and then go from there how you're gonna style it. This one, like I said, I did take a link out, so it's probably sitting at right around 19 inches for me. And then it also has this little dangle, but that way it's just sitting where I want it to sit. The cool thing is you can also style it in so many different ways if you do keep that second clip on there. The way that it clips into itself, you can connect on any different length throughout the necklace. It's just such a great piece and it's very sturdy. Like you can tell that the quality is superior. You know that it's gonna last a really long time. And I've never had an issue with MEJURI's gold vermeil tarnishing, which is awesome. I still recommend that you take it off if you're gonna go into the pool, the ocean, or even the shower. It's highly recommended that you do take it off and just make sure you keep it nice, take good care of it with the 14 karat gold. If you were to go that option, even though it is a little bit more expensive, you wouldn't have to take it off ever. So that is something to take into consideration if you do go the 14 karat gold route. Before I started wearing this necklace, I actually was wearing the Rolo chain charm necklace. And this one is not new. They've had it on the site for a while, but it still kind of goes along with the theme of a charm necklace. So it only has one point of connection. And I've shared this necklace before because I absolutely love it. I feel like it's a more timeless take on the charm necklace, if that's kind of the look you're going for versus the paper clip chunky chain look. I think this one is a little bit more timeless. It's also a little bit more affordable for the solid gold piece. So this one is solid gold, it's 16 inches and it's $648. So it's a little bit more affordable than the starting at 2,500 for the base chain necklace. Next up, we are talking about the newly released base chain charm bracelet. This one is also gold vermeil. There is of course the solid gold version. This one ranges from 6.5 to 7.5 inches. I took out one link because I have such tiny wrists and so it would have just slid off and I wanted that smaller size, so I did take that one link out, but I'm still able to customize it with that one clip chain still in there. The gold vermeil version is $248 and the solid gold version is $1,350, and it starts at that price and then just goes up depending on the size that you need it. Similar to the necklaces, they also have a Rolo charm bracelet. I've mentioned it multiple times in the past, so I'm not gonna dive too much into it, but it looks just like the necklace. And it's also solid gold, so highly recommend that if you want a more minimal dainty look because that piece is beautiful as well. There are so many beautiful charms on their website, but there are 4 in particular that I'm going to share in this video. A few of them are new, a few of them have been around for a while. One of the pieces I'm going to share is the flat heart charm. It is 14 karat gold, $398, and it's actually engravable. So if you're getting this as a gift or even for yourself, you can customize it to whatever you want it to say for yourself or for that special someone. This next one is not new, but I got this one new to my collection. I got a little diamond T to stand for my new last name since I got married this last May. So super exciting. And I love to pair the heart charm with the letter charm. I think it's so beautiful and timeless. And it honestly kind of reminds me of the charm necklace that Lizzie McGuire wore in the Lizzie McGuire movie. I was obsessed with that necklace. She's of course wearing a silver one, but I love it, and that's kind of how it makes me feel when I wear this. The next two that I'm gonna talk about, I'm wearing on my bracelet. The first one is the organic pearl charm. This one is 14 karat yellow gold with a freshwater pearl, and it is $68. So super affordable for a real beautiful pearl and that solid gold. The last pendant I'm gonna mention is new. It is the pear pendant. It looks like a massive diamond, which I love. It is gold for May, and it is a white topaz, so it is not a real diamond, but it looks like a real diamond. It's so gorgeous, and it's only $58, so it's really affordable, and it makes just a beautiful addition if you're gonna have it on your necklace or your bracelet. Something to take into consideration with these charms is to make sure that if you're going to get a 14 karat solid gold bracelet and you're not ever planning on taking it off in the shower, in the ocean, whatever it may be, if you're not going to take it off, make sure that the charms you are getting are also 14 karat gold, just so that you don't have to worry about taking the charms off every single time you would like to shower or get in the swimming pool or anything like that. Just to play it on the safe side, you want to make sure that you take really good care of your jewelry so that it lasts your whole lifetime. So just take that into consideration as you're starting to build out your personalized jewelry. That wraps up my little review of these new pieces on MEJURI. I'm happy to talk about styling or stacking, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.